Hello, friends. Heartily welcome in this video. In this video, we are going to learn about one amazing system variable in a Fanuc robot, which allows us to increase robot speed to 100 precents in a few clicks. Normally, when we increase robot speed, then it increases like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on, up to 100. Even if we increase speed while pressing Shift key, then also it goes the same at the difference of 5. Now, how to go from 5 to 100% in 2 clicks, and very fine to 100 in only 5 clicks. Let's see it. For achieving this in a Fanuc robot, you have to enable one system variable. To do that, press Menu, then Next, then go to System, and then Variable. Here's the list of system variables. Now find the system variable Shift Override Enable. Change the value of the variable from 0 to 1, or the. Press Enter. Now you can increase the speed of the robot while pressing the Shift key. In 5 clicks, you can go from very fine to 100%, and 100 to very fine.